You literally have 3 closets. That's how much clothes you have.
Yeah.
This leg goes. This leg goes. This leg goes.
Where are my mothers now?
No.
I am new here. You are so beautiful. I love the way you treat your family, and I love you too. Aww. Sweet sisterly. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're so welcome to my page. You're so welcome to my life. KO family. My family, my everything. I'm ready to give it all for my family. If you like, you call me stupid. If you like, you call me foolish. If you like, you take advantage of my kindness, my simplicity. But my family, my everything. While you are in my life, I play my role. I do what I got to do for you to remember. You might talk bad about me now. They might talk bad about me now, but they will always remember me in the future. That is for sure. They will always remember me forever and ever. They will always. I will always live in their hearts. They can never write their life story without me being inside. When you come into my life, I treat you good. I treat you with love. I carry your matter for my head. But it's left up to you to be patient. It is left up to you to also put work. You cannot just come into someone's life, you say, now you go carry family responsibility, everything put on top of one person's head. Person, they carry one person, that one they carry on another truck. No go work. I haven't been around here for some time. Where is your husband? Me and my husband are kind of separated right now. He is now in Nigeria. He left to Nigeria, unfortunately, yesterday without my knowing. He asked me to sign for him to go back because he has been impatient. He has not been doing anything much. He wants to be creating content in Nigeria. I told him that is not how to be. So I can't sign for you, but he still went the other side and left. So he's in Nigeria right now, where I'm here with my kids. So I wish him well. I wish him all the best. I wish him what he wishes others. I wish him what he wishes me and my kids. Yes. So that is the end of the relationship, actually. That is the end of the marriage. Nothing lasts forever, guys. Nothing lasts forever. That is what I always say to my ladies. Build yourself. Work on yourself. You know, if you check Mea Duchi, after everything, shit still happen. What did they call her? Hey, why?
Bless you. Bless you.
P square.
Bless you.
Thank you. The Allegis want to start or what? Don't start, oh. The Allegis shouldn't start oh, before.
In Nigeria?
No.
Okay, good.
Are you afraid of that?
Ja, ich habe auch eine Pollenallergie.
Do to others what should be done unto you. But one thing is for sure, in their quiet moment, they will remember me. Nobody come up from my life who you know they regret her. It's just a question of time. Nobody, and that is my pride. I treat you well to the extent in your quiet moment you will remember. The way, oh, I remember these things when this woman be talk. She don't mean her wrong. Oh, she meant well. Oh, you know, you will see it in front because I'm the type that think unthinkable thoughts. Nothing actually happened between me and my husband rather than, please, do your driver license. We have applied since last year. Months has gone by. You do you study for the driving school. Study, not English, not be Dutch. So that you can help me. The stress is too much. You know, Money has been disappearing. We earn a lot of money. They will pay us on the 26th. On the 8th of the other month. Money don't finish, guys. So I'm already looking for how to survive. I don't borrow. To the extent I sold my car. I sold one of my car. I'll be managing it. You know, fear not let me point finger. Yeah, we pay this, we are owing this, we are owing that. Money has been going. I was like, okay, now that situation is like this, please, you take a job. Take a job. Even if it's 200 euro, use it to support me. We cannot right now focus on social media alone. Life is hard. Trouble starts. Trouble starts. So that was it. I was thinking, oh, he would do it to impress me. I've already forfeited my own salary. I was thinking he would do it. At least I stood by him. It is time for him to stand, to show me and prove me that he's a man. I've been doing everything as a woman and a man since, you all know, here on social media, there is nothing to lie about. So, not be say one thing. Nothing to lie about. So I'm satisfied. I did everything I could. Me, I cannot continue to carry. We are going to Nigeria to apply for the visa. I said we are going to buy tickets. Everybody tickets. Only me no go fit carry on. Let me go create content. Let me go come live. Let me go work. Let me go appointment. I will go there. I'm exhausted. Sometimes at the time I started shaking. My husband would just be at home moving up and down. Create content with the children when I'm not there. To no avail. Go to kitchen. If you are cooking, people will watch you. They liked it. They used to watch you. To no avail. Okay, you go to work. Do something. There is document for you to work. For where? Okay, now, if you cannot work, write the exam. Write the driver license so that the money will not just go like that. We have paid already. If we haven't paid, it's something else. And just a little money was remaining after exam, then they, you know, everything will be fine. Wahala, bros not grill. The Lord has been too much for one person. I'm telling you the truth too. You know, if you beat me, you say make I not cry now. It's not gonna work. Say washing dirty linen outside. There's nothing like washing dirty linen outside. He left to Nigeria now. Since I've been calling him, I've written him. He never reply. You know they make. He has already gotten his money. He has all the money. Then when we were not able to find money, where is money? Where is money? Money can't they grow like they run. No, you say bros, they was carrying a lot. A lot has happened. He was carrying a lot of money. You not get feelings. It's not good to have a narcissist as a husband. You know, you will be the last person to understand. So it's really over because he cannot do me like this and expect that we'll come back again, or expect if anything goes wrong in Nigeria, I will come and sign document for him. It's not going to work. I am speaking out because I know I'm giving up. It's over. It's over. Like, it's over. We might not have to divorce on the document now. It's over. It's a gradual process. It's over, and I'm not ashamed to say it to my fans that it is over. Queen Aisha, now you know whether na prank or now you know whether na prank. It's your problem if it is a prank. Thank God you are watching my prank. Thank God you are watching my prank right now. Since you call it a prank, then congratulations. Then continue to follow and see if you find my husband in my platform or in my home or in my life for another 5 years. Continue to watch me here for another 5 years. Maybe after 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, you will now say it's not a prank. He has his plans. That is why he was not ready to do anything. I'm telling you, it's a shock. It is a shock of my life. A big shock. Even though a lot of things has been happening. You know, as a woman, they say, get patient, get patient. Get patient. Don't wash your dirty linen outside. Get patient. Don't wash your dirty linen outside. That is how I've been doing it too. Not washing my dirty linen outside though. So right now he left, thinking that he will go and impress me. Stand by me in time of trouble. Prove me that you truly love me. We have children here that we are paying their school fees. I forfeited my money for you. And then it's easy for you to just pack your things and just go. Never you giving me something of 100 euro in return. Don't always say what they should do for you. You also think what you should do for others. I forfeited 1,700 euro monthly times 14. Infinity. And then it's easy for you. I go on social media 247 making money. You are taking it. Today your daughter get eye problem. Tomorrow you want to do operation. The other time need a pain now. Now you guys are just extorting me. It's not fair. Now you have been able to gather enough money, open a pure water business. You still carrying neck so that everybody will feel sorry for him. You pack your bag and then you left back to the Nigeria. When you know you were going, why then did you let me forfeit the money? Why? Why were you giving me pressure that I must give you document? Why? But what you do out of love, there is no regret. The deed is done. The deed is done. I'm not crying. God has blessed me. As much as God has blessed me, there are so many people, my mates, that God has not blessed to this extent. You know, even if it's only my kids, it's a plus. Is it easy to have children? And we are managing it. You know? I still have my certificate. Anytime, I can still go back to work if that is the case. So, I am in Europe. Anytime I'm able to divorce officially, then government will start supporting me. So you make your money in Nigeria. Why I make my money here? You stay there, I stay here. Tomorrow now, I'll go and tell the government that my husband has left to Africa. I'll have to remove his registration from my house. I will go on camera while I do this, for you guys to know. I will go on camera. When I'm going to the government to let them know that my husband has disappeared from the country, I will go on camera. My life is on social media. I will go on camera tomorrow, early in the morning, as early as 8, 9, as I'm dropping Munachi in school. I will go and remove his registration from here. My husband has disappeared. I don't know his whereabouts. But this is it, this is it. I've downloaded the video, should in case he deletes it, that is not in Nigeria. Because he can lie for Africa. So, I am too matured to be crying over a husband. I'm not young. If I'm 30 and I have not found a husband yet, that is when, and if I have not tasted husband life, if I did not give my best, something different. Not when I have given everything. And then I will start regretting, oh, if I had, what should I have known now? I did everything. He went for Dutch course. He took how many years to do one Dutch course? How many times? Repeating. Baby, study. The children are the one who is even doing homework for him. What are you expecting me to do? You cannot put things in someone's head now. You cannot put success in someone's head. He wants it in an easy way. Nigeria, where they will call him Oga, they create content. In this content of 18, if you don't bring out something, people will not watch you. They need reasonable content. They need new ideas. They need fi-fi content. Everybody there for social media. They hustle. So, not by just coming, wishing me happy Mother's Day. I called you, you refuse to pick. I don't know if I am an animal or I am something. I don't know. I've written you, you don't want. You are calling another person to let me know that you have arrived in Nigeria safely. And you are telling me that you still love me. What kind of manipulation spirit is that? So that whenever you need me, I'll come and sign for you. Tomorrow, I don't reach government house. I have reached government house. Hey. Anytime we want divorce, we'll divorce. I will call my lawyer tomorrow. You have left. I'll start processing for it. What do you think? Say tomorrow you'll call me, make I come sign for your document for you. Baby, I don't do that. And I'm not a child you pepper with husband. I'm not a child. What I need now is success. What I need now is success. So I'm 45, going to be 46. I'm too mature to be crying over. What do I need a man for? I've always been an independent woman since you have been in my life. Not even a common lipstick I've gotten free from my husband. Free from his own money. Say, you know, Nothing gets spoiled at home that he repairs. I have to pay uncle. I have to pay workers. Of what importance are you? Says? Come on now. There are many ways to get it. You must not need a man to do that kind of thing. You don't understand. Forget level. Now, men, you go use soap. You go there, use soapy. You go tire. Because he knows. He knows. He knows everything. He knows. Me, I don't need soapy. I don't need soapy at all. Tomorrow, I will be in government house. Now me una they go. Now life and direct. I want to remove my husband from my house because he have left to Nigeria. You cannot be in Nigeria and then you keep registration here. All the ways I can remove. I remove. Most especially if they know that you have left to Nigeria, the 50% custody that you have over the kids is going to be removed. It's time that we take. Baby, we just started the journey. You might never have to see Monachi in your whole life. I'm telling you the truth, baby. Like, you might never have to see Monachi. You know me now. You know me. You might never, ever. Just, you have sacrificed Monachi for your family. You chose your family over Monachi. You chose money over Monachi. You chose money over Monachi. That is 1000%. You can't eat your cake and have it. You'll be seeing Monachi on social media. Now you make your decision now. Picking one I born for you at the age of 42. You know me now. As long as you are there, I'm removing the custody. The father is not here to take care. Who are you to say you want to keep it? I'm removing it. Oh, I will fight her with law. I will fight her. I'm removing the 50% of the kids. I forgot to put this on because of talk. Baby, I'm going to remove 50% custody that you have. I'm removing it. I'm going to fight it. You are not here, you keep 50%. You are not paying child benefit, you keep 50%. It's not going to work now. You have lost Monachi forever. I'm opening my mouth right now and I'm telling it to you. Life and direct. You have lost Monachi. I'm going to fight you when it comes to that. You have lost Monachi forever and ever. You have lost Monachi. You have chosen your mother over your child. You have chosen your sisters over your child. You have chosen money over your child. You have chosen your pure water business over your child. You have chosen everything over that child. And me, I chose Monachi over anything. You know, say I be kids lover. I like to work. I like to work because I know, say, to invest in kids is the best investment ever. Me, I know they cry, oh. I've been taking care of myself, oh. And I just say, man, you get man for us, you get man for us. Now it be that. Which man? Now every man, I be man. I be not be woman when you go leave or upon they cry. They cry 247. I feel shed tears. Tears of joy. Tears of having kids in my life. Not be tears of say you come out. I'm taking care of my 5 kids. All of them. You'll see them. Single-handedly. It is now I want to focus. Training them. Anything where they won't become, they let them become it. But definitely they will never suffer. Mark it. They will never suffer. Monachi, I know I had her very late, yeah. She will not suffer still. Maybe when I'm 60, how old Monachi will be? She's not 4, 10, 20 years old. It's good now. 20. It's still good now. 20.
How old will I be when you're 6 years old?
You should calculate. Are you not a big girl?
Wait,
So that I am wearing. Let me see the kind of color I should apply. Everybody should get ready. Seat is reserved around 2. We are not definitely going to make it. It should be 3. Should be 3.
we are not going to make it.
Definitely not.
When you're not ready.
What are you thinking? You go back to Nigeria after I forfeited something. Then later you say, baby, come and sign for me. You're going to see me for Nigeria all the time, baby. You're going to see me. This one I'll be saying. You're not going to see me face to face. You're going to see me for social media. Say I did Nigeria. You will never know my location. I go pepper you. In fact, it's a competition right now. I love competition, guys. I love competition. You took that money away, say I don't go. Now money now people go say they cry, but you see me now. I'm a big girl. I'm a big girl. Nothing they stop me, guys. I'm not a brag. I they talk with power. I'm not a brag. I'm looking for the thing I'm wearing today. I think that one will go. I don't brag. Oh, I'm not a brag. I'm not a brag. I'm not a brag. Oh. I am not the kind of a woman you leave and then I will not stand on my both feet. If I used to walk 3 times a day, I would walk 6 times a day. If it is all about money, I would drive that car. After all, the car I'm driving right now is big enough. I'm a citizen. Oh. Me and you not be the same. Oh. You in Nigeria now. They will do you. They go do visa for my husband, make he go South Africa. May go they do yahoo yahoo. That is the best they can do for him. I never reached Nigeria. I visited Nigeria many times. He said, honestly, this really touched my heart. I'm telling you. Bro, almost broke my heart. I've been in it for a long time. My true life story video will come. Which one will go with it now? I'm confused. I'm confused when it comes to the makeup. I am not that kind of a woman you leave and I will cry because of a man. Are they crazy? Do you know who I am? Hey, Pakororo will not go to school. Imagine. Huh? People will laugh me say, no get husband. No get husband. I want for you.
Mommy.
In that social media, they say, I love my wife. My wife is a woman. My wife is kind. My wife is rich. My wife is beautiful. My wife is all and everything. You won't talk me put into signing document for you in Nigeria. I swear on my mother's grave, I will never do it for you. I'm removing your registration from this house. And I'm telling the government that you disappear from the country.
Here for mommy.
Make it in Nigeria. Make it, oh. God, they say, you do business, you want to shoot content. Maybe waiting that watch you want, then the revenue you go see.
Mama.
Maybe the revenue.
Love your candy.
It's okay, it's okay. Is that what you're wearing? I'm looking for out to which one? This one here.
Is it pretty?
Should I put this one here?
Change.
And then what should I put here? Black. Black and this. Does it go together?
Black and what?
Black and this one. Because this one goes with the cloth I'm wearing. That's the cloth.
Oh. Yes.
Does it go like that?
Yes.
Look at what I'm asking. If it goes wrong, now you say, Deja say make I put black and that. I not send though, guys. I not send. Hey, gosh.
Mama, is this good or should I change?
Put on that African gown. Everybody's looking cute. Today is Mother's Day.
Me too. I don't smell good.
Women, learn from us. Learn from me. See me. I gave all and everything and I've been suffering. I gave all and everything to rectify my marriage. May they not talk, may they not talk. At the end of the day, just because may they not talk, that thing that you don't want them to talk, now you will be living with your enemy inside the house. How much is Eliab going to make in this life that you overtake me? Eliab, how much are you going to make in this life that you will be richer than me? You will never be richer than me. I swear. You can never be richer than me. You can never be richer than me. You don't Nigeria, they Austria, but you can never be richer than me, baby boy. Rich.
Mommy, this one?
Yeah, this is beautiful. Can never be richer than me, oh. You want richer than me at this your age, you. You steal from me and then you want to be richer than me like that. You not go work now. But better don't sell our landless property. I beg you in the name of God. Elderly people will get involved now because I cannot trust you. You cannot. They will call on your family attention. Your mother and your father. Your mother and your father, oh, now them they go talk to. That property needs to be sold now so that we can share our own. All those properties, gonna share them. We'll sell it now and share it. I talk say you dey secret court. Say you want you secret court, they fight me. I will fight you on social media. Elderly people, I don't contact some elderly people. Don't think me and you, we have another chance to come back, say teeth and tongue, they quarrel. Me and you, teeth and tongue, they quarrel. It's infinity. I know they go back to my vomit. I swear. It's infinity finish. Hey. I fought for my marriage. I gave it all. As it not work, it's finished though. Carry your ticket, you go back to Nigeria. That was the end. You throw away my effort. All my effort, you throw it away like say it's easy. Earlier, but not be that kind of person. You were telling one of my friends, say, who will be emotionally down. Because you travel to Nigeria, you think I'll be emotionally down. Babe, why now? You should know that I'm a strong woman. But you know where I'm coming from now. You know where I'm coming from. You know the road I followed so far. I am an iron lady. Both husband and wife are actors. I love them so much. Now you know. By the time you know the truth, then when you don't already reach 10 years, be that naive there. Just continue to be naive. Just continue to be naive. Whatever you like, you believe. That is your cup of tea. If you like, you believe, say we are actors. If you don't like, it's your problem. As long as you are watching me, that is all that matters. So whatever you want to take home, continue taking it home. But as long as you come back to watch, the time you will see me and my husband on the screen again. If you see me and my husband, any other video I'm posting from today henceforth is an old video. Old video. Now you know, you go watch it. If you are that is why you have to be following me all the time. To know when I make the video, to know when it's old. I still have some Natasha video I can re-upload. It's old video, but you will never see him live and direct. When Munachi complete 5 years, when Munachi complete 6 years, when Munachi complete 7 years. I'm glad announcing this to the world. I am glad. Also for family, I'm so fucking glad, man. Hey. You want to do me, make it pay me. Now lie yo. Now you they feed me before. Now you they feed me before. Your friends, they escort you. The other one say, free you go home, go write freedom. Freedom from your marriage. What a weakling. Freedom from your marriage. What a weakling, Eliabosifo. Freedom from your marriage. What a weakling.